France and Canada, here I come. I just wanted to let you know very briefly, I'm traveling to France tomorrow and will be there for 3 months, and then to Canada for another 3 months. If you are in France and you would like to come to do a workshop, let me know. But I will be offering another online workshop fairly soon, and would love to guide you this year on this incredible journey that we are all as humanity going through. I love the two-pointing process so much. It has gifted my life with many beautiful journeys, and I really sense it is time for more of us to experience the beauty that life offers and the light that is at the end of the tunnel, and have more joy for everyone. So I'm excited to go to a beautiful place, to meet some lovely people, to enjoy myself as well as being with friends. And if you are interested in having an online workshop or even a live one, let me know in France or in Canada, and I would like to wish you an incredible week, and my next video will be from France. Bye for now.